GoHighLevel is not just for agencies or coaches, it can also be a game changer for e-commerce business. If you are running an online store, you know how hard it is to keep visitor engaged, reduce the cart abandonment, and turn casual browser into paying customer. In this video, we are going to explore exactly how GoHighLevel can help you to boost your e-commerce conversions, and even if you are completely new to marketing automation. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, consider subscribing and don't forget to check the link in the description. You can get the access to live bootcamp and the exclusive bonuses, which can help you to using GoHighLevel the right way for your store. Alright, now let's get back to the video. The first key area where GoHighLevel helps is the cart abandoned recovery. Imagine someone adds the product to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase. GoHighLevel can automatically send up the email or the SMS by reminding them about the item they left behind. So you can even offer a small discount for free shipping to encourage them to complete the purchase. This automation works 24/7 and can recover sales that would otherwise be lost without you lifting a finger. Next thing is the personalized follow-up. With GoHighLevel, you can segment your customer based on their behavior, like what they bought before or what pages they visited on your site. Then you can send the targeted message recommending related product, the sessional offers or exclusive deals. Personalized messages feel more relevant to the customer, which increases the chance they will return and buy again. Another powerful tool is email and SMS sequence. You can set up a series of automated messages that guide your customer from their first visit to becoming a repeat buyer. For example, a new customer might get a welcome email with tips on how to use the product, then a follow-up message highlighting the best sellers, and later a reminder for reviewing. So this keeps your store top of the mind and builds the trust without constant manual effort. And GoHighLevel also help you with loyalty and the reward program. You can automate the points, the discount or the special perks for the returning customers. It encourages repeat purchase and strengthens the customer relationship. Over the time, your loyal customer becomes the brand advocates, sharing the product with their friends and family. And don't forget about the analyze and the reporting. GoHighLevel tracks which campaign are working, which message drive the click, and where conversions happen. You can easily see what's performing best, optimize your sequence, and double down on what works. This data-driven approach ensures you are always improving your e-commerce result. So sum it up, GoHighLevel boosts your e-commerce conversions by recovering the abandoned carts, sending personalized follow-up and creating automated email and the SMS sequence, building a loyalty program and giving you the detailed analytics also. It's like having a smart assistant that works non-stop to increase your sales. If you are ready to try GoHighLevel for your store, click the link in the description for the 30 days free trial, access to the bootcamp and the exclusive bonuses to get started like a pro. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.